walk around video of my 65 Duntov 396 425 horse car, documented with its original protective plate. Car is completely body off restored, and it is absolutely perfect. There's no chips, no cracking, no scratching, no nothing. This car is beautiful. Everything lines up and fits nice. Interior is perfect. Teak, telly. Side pipes were added by the previous owner after the judging, so they are added. All the NCRS awards are back here. All the certificates. Duntov award. That all goes with the car. It's all brand new. Everything. All the right dated radiator, alternator. I have the sticker that goes here. I got to glue back on, but I have it. Front pad. Alright, we'll start it there. I'll show you the trim and VIN tag, I guess. We'll do that quick too. There's a sticker that goes on the inner fender. The original protective plate. This is what's stamped on the front pad of the motor. This is the assembly date and the engine suffix. Sold new at Sutliff Chevrolet. Original plate. So I'll do a video of it starting and driving it. Cold start, Duntov awarded 65 396 convertible. Documented, all numbers matching, has the original protective plate, 200 car, 32,000 original miles, always been a Pennsylvania car. Don't get any better than this. Duntov awarded, best of the best. running one here. I enjoyed driving this car. Been in town taking pictures, no problems riding through town. Water temp gauge rate 180, everything works great. Starts every time, goes through all the gears like it should, all the gauges work, even the clock. We were even listening to the radio a few minutes ago, you know, just... And I promise if you go. Hey, everything works in this car. You're not going to be disappointed with this one. It'll only go up in value. The 65, 396, 425 horse cars are rarer than 67 big block 435 cars. Especially when you add in a convertible to that mix. I mean, this car is rare. So, if you need any other pictures, video, anything, just let me know. You can call anytime, 814-285-1779. Thank you.